My loves, welcome back to my channel. I truly hope everyone is doing well. I hope everyone is having a great day. So far we're here. We're gonna make some curry chicken. If you're interested in watching these kind of videos, keep on watching. Sit back, relax, and enjoy me making some curry chicken. My husband seasoned the meat since yesterday. We take this on the outside because the curry will leave your house smelling really bad. So here we go. I put some oil in the pot and some garlic. I'm going to put a little curry on the inside of the pot and let it burn for 2 seconds. And I'm cooking it on this grill on the outside. Let's get started. Put some ginger. That's putting in some pimento. Time to add some water.